2023. This is Neha Basudkar Ghati, Assistant Editor at Efficient Manufacturing Magazine. We have here with us Prashant Sardeshmukh, who is the Managing Director at MMC Hard Metal India. Sir, could you please brief us about the products and solutions that you offer to our customers?
Okay, well, in IMTEX, we are offering all the solutions which we have launched just recently in Gymtop exhibition in Japan. So basically, we are focusing on total tooling solutions for all industry segments. As of today, automotive is still dominant in India. Together with automotive, we are offering majority of the solutions for aerospace, medical, energy, and die mode.
And how do you look at it? Like IMTEX is happening after like 4 years. So how do you look at it, this opportunity?
It's a great opportunity for all the customers because it is happening after 4 years, as we all know, and customers are eager to come and witness the new solutions what are being provided by everyone. So, be it machine tool or be it cutting tool, people are keen to have solutions because especially automotive industry is now growing dramatically and it is going to register double-digit growth.
Exactly.
So that way, it is going to be beneficial for customers as well as us.
Sir, the industry or the world is witnessing recession nowadays. So, in that scenarios, how do you look at the business that is coming up, and how do you see the growth in this tough scenario?
See, as far as the recession is concerned, we don't see any big impact on Indian business as such, especially our kind of industry. Because if we see majority of the recessional news which we are getting are related to IT industry or so on. But as far as automotive industry in India is concerned, it is growing, and majority of the cutting tool and machine tool makers are still largely dependent in India on automotive industry. Aerospace also has started picking up. Medical is picking up with the population. So these three industries are going to contribute heavily, especially in India.
And looking at the sustainability point of view, how MMC Hard Metal is catering to that segment?
Okay, we are going to offer total tooling solutions for our customers. And when it comes to total tooling solutions, our technical center in Pune also comes in picture, where we have various machines on which we provide trainings not just to our employees or our distributors' employees, we also provide trainings to our customers and engineering college students. So industry will get help from us to get the industry ready manpower. So that is the kind of thing what we are doing newly. And customers' components we will develop in our technical center in advance. So when customer receives their machine, they have to just plug and play.
Exactly. And what about the sustainability? As in, is there any thoughts on sustainability that your company must be offering, or company must be having ready solutions with it?
Yes, we do have many solutions like the new products which we are going to launch that will help customer for improving the system.
So that was really great inputs from Mr. Prashant Sardeshmukh. Please follow us on our YouTube channel. Thank you.